to choose standard and safe organic food. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn together about how to choose standard and safe organic food. Organic food is not only good for health but also protects the environment, helping to reduce exposure to harmful chemicals. If you are interested in improving your lifestyle and eating healthy, then continue watching this video for helpful suggestions. 1. Traceability. When sourcing organic food, it is very important to choose from reputable and trustworthy suppliers. This ensures that you are buying quality organic and healthy products. There are several steps you can take to ensure the organic origin of the food you buy. First, find out about accredited organic certification bodies in your country. For example, in the United States, USDA Organic is the organization responsible for evaluating and certifying organic products. Learn about the standards and regulations that suppliers need to follow in order to be certified organic. Next, visit reputable stores or local farmers markets that you know for sure sell organic food. If possible, ask about the origin of the products, whether they are certified organic and from where they are sourced. 2. Observe the product label. This is an important step when choosing organic food. When buying food, read the labels carefully to determine the organic and quality of the product. Look for the organic label to make sure the product has been certified organic according to international standards. The word additive-free refers to food that is grown and produced naturally, without the use of harmful chemicals such as pesticides and chemical fertilizers. Finding the non-GMO label is important, ensuring the product does not contain artificially modified varieties, while advocating the use of natural crops. Finally, the chemical-free label shows that the product does not contain harmful chemicals, which helps to reduce exposure to substances harmful to health. 3. Using websites and mobile apps. Using the website and mobile app is a smart way to find information about organic food. There are many apps and websites that offer this service, helping you look up brands and certified organic products. You can learn about organic standards and look at reviews from other users about the quality and reliability of the products. These apps often provide detailed information about a product's provenance, including organic certification and compliance standards. You can easily look up products by category, brand, or geographical location. User reviews also give you an overview of the quality and effectiveness of specific organic products. These reviews usually come from consumers who have used the product and have real experience. This helps you make smart purchasing decisions. 4. Prioritize food that needs to be bought organic. In the case of a limited budget, prioritizing organic foods is a smart way to take advantage of their health benefits. Some foods tend to contain more chemicals, so you should focus on the foods that are important and regularly consumed. Vegetables and fruits are the preferred foods, because they are often exposed to the environment and have the ability to absorb chemicals from the soil and air. Choose to buy vegetables and fruits that you normally use in your daily meals to reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals. Milk and eggs should also be your preferred organic choice, especially if you consume them regularly. Organic milk and eggs are usually produced from animals that are not injected with growth hormones and are not exposed to harmful additives. If you consume meat and poultry, you should also look for organic varieties. Organic meat and poultry are often produced from naturally raised animals, without the use of antibiotics or growth hormones, which helps to minimize exposure to harmful substances. 5. Choose organic seasonal food. Organic foods often cost more than conventional foods due to high-quality production processes and limited use of harmful chemicals. However, when purchased in season, the supply of these foods will be higher, helping to reduce costs. During the season that provides favorable conditions for the cultivation and production of organic food, when the weather is good and the natural conditions are suitable. This reduces production and transportation costs, resulting in more affordable organic food prices. A smart way to take advantage of the seasons is to plan your shopping and consumption of organic foods accordingly. You can buy in bulk and take advantage of seasonal discounts, then preserve the food for a long time. We hope that the information we share has been useful to you. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos from us on the topic of health and healthy lifestyle. Thank you and see you in the next videos. Have a nice and energetic day.